We're all home for the holidays this year, and everyone is craving cozy. So as you start trimming your tree, think about incorporating some cozy materials into the decor. It's easy to upcraft a few old flannel shirts into a heartwarming tree skirt. So let's make it. You'll need your brother's sewing and embroidery machine, 3 flannel shirts, mix and match the patterns, coordinating fabric, pattern paper, wrapping paper or craft paper, decorative trim, scissors, straight pins, a measuring tape, and yarn or a string, and a pencil. To start, let's deconstruct the flannel shirts. First, by cutting off the arms. Save your scraps for later to make other projects like a winter scarf, an oven mitt, or even a cozy koozie. Next, cut up the sides of the shirts so they remain attached at the shoulders. Do this with all 3 flannel shirts. Now decide on which shirt will be the center and lay it flat. The existing buttons or snaps of the shirt will be used as the opening of the skirt, and the neck hole is for the tree stem. Once you decided on your center shirt, cut off the collar, and using a straight edge, cut the other 2 shirts at the shoulders to create 4 pieces, and then place each piece on opposite sides of the centerpiece. Sew the flannels together at the shoulders first, then sew the flannels together at the sides, so you end up with a large square. Now on to creating the pattern. To make a 42-inch tree skirt, you'll create a pie-shaped pattern that has 2 21-inch radius lines from the center. To make sure the arc is correct, tie one end of a string around a pencil. Secure the other end at the center point of the pattern, making sure the string length is 21 inches, and draw the edge of the circle. Lay the pattern on the folded flannel square and cut. Do the same on a coordinating piece of fabric for the back side of the tree skirt. Cut a 2-inch circle from the top of the coordinating fabric to create a hole for the center. Sew in the raw edges of the side. This is a great time to add embroidery to your tree skirt. Select the center flannel piece that's opposite of the button opening and add your embroidery. Next, lay the piece of trim around the outside edge on the right side of the flannel circle facing in and sew in place. Lay the 2 right sides of the circles together and sew around the edge. Stitch the circle opening, trim and clip the edges. Turn right side out. And there you have it, an adorable tree skirt using old flannels. It's eco-friendly and your tree will be the best dressed.